we're going to find the value of y, the exact measure of angle A and the exact measure of angle B. Now, to find the value of y, step 1, we need to analyze the given. Then step 2, identify the relationship of the given measurement. Okay, so 146 is what we call the measure of the exterior angle, while the measure of the angle that found inside the triangle is what we call the remote interior angle. Meaning, to find the exterior angle, just add their remote interior. So, meaning, step number 3, we need to form an equation. The measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B is equal to the measure of its exterior angle. And what is that? Okay, the measure of angle ACD. Then after that, substitute the given measurement. What is the measure of angle A? 5y plus 3. Plus the measure of angle B. Then is equal to 146. So that is the equation now. Then to find the exact measure of angle y, just combine the like terms. So what are the like terms? 5y and just combine 5y plus 4y, 9y. Then what we're going to do by 3 and 8? Then add. So after getting the sum, okay, we're going to transpose 11 going to the right side. Bakit po? Kasi si 11 ay wala namang variable. So isasama natin siya kay 146. Okay, 146. What will be the sign, anak, of 11? Okay, magiging negative or minus na siya. Then simplify. 146 minus 11, 135. Then the last step is divide both sides by 9. What is the value of y? Very good. So what's next after getting the value of y? How to find the measure or the exact measure of angle A and angle B? Okay, we're going to substitute the value of y. So the measure of angle A is 5y plus 3. Palitan si y ng 15. This will become 5 times 15 plus 3. 5 times 15. 75 plus 3. Okay, since anak ang pinag-uusapan natin ay angle, don't forget to write the degree. So 78 is the exact measure of angle A. Find the exact measure of angle B. Angle B. The measure of angle B is equal to 4y. So palitan na agad natin si y ng ano po? So this will become 4 times 15 plus 8. 4 times 15. 60 plus 8. 68 degree. Now, let's check if our answer is correct. What we're going to do? Just get the sum, right? Get the sum of angle A and angle B. Kailangan equal siya sa ating exterior angle. 78 degree plus 68 degree. 146 degree. Therefore, the value of y is correct. So,